Okay, so we're gonna, I can't see anything. Okay, anyway. We're gonna take this bar soap right here. It's ivory bar soap. Oh dear, jeez. I can't even, heck yeah, there we go. That's covered in paper. It's gonna be hard to get off of there. I don't know why this is so blurry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. One-handed. Okay, we're gonna put it on this plate. Awesome. Super good. Okay. We're gonna take this plate. We're gonna walk around with it. Okay, we're gonna get to this microwave. Alright. A lot of bananas and cups and stuff. Alright. I'm gonna pop it in that microwave. Alright. Oh god, it's lit away. Come back. You want it in the middle, or you're just gonna make things bad. And then I'm gonna set that for 30 seconds. And we're gonna watch. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is going good. Oh god, there it goes. Oh god, look at go. No. Keep doing things. Okay, there we go. Oh god. Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god, okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Oh, things are bad. Okay, we're done. Okay, so, it's really hot and stuff. It's kind of fluffy. And you like break it apart. And apparently I don't know how to focus my camera, so you'll have to deal with it. Dear Jesus, this is hot. Oh, warm. Look at that, it's really soft under here though. It's like ultra soft. Yeah, okay, so that's microwaving a bar.